Hi everyone, my name is Jessica and welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to take you through this amazing PowerPoint presentation called Fully Funded Scholarships Abroad Complete 2026 Guide. Let's dive right in. If you're dreaming of studying abroad without the financial stress, this is your ultimate roadmap. There are 70. Slide 70 is week 1, foundation and research. Days 1 through 2, self-assess, gravity specialist. Day 7, prioritize. Slide 71 on weeks 2 through 4. Please see the slide. Weeks 2 to 4, building your milestones. Police of prep, building your Fraustems. Week 2, Antesgrabigier. Week 4, recommenders, writing. Consistency key. Please see the slide. Slide 72 explains long-term milestones, preets, months, nens, megs, twaster ein, 12 prize. Please see the slide. Slide 73 lists resources for continued support. Databases Scholarship Pro Fellow, Communities Reddit, GradCaf, PrepUp. Slide 74 on encouragement. Please see the slide. Slide 74 is final words of encouragement. Start today, persist, be authentic, build community, thousands succeed, you can too. Slide 75 wraps it up. Please see the slide. Your scholarship journey starts now. Slide 75 concludes with you have the tools, act. Kekla assess spreadsheet, research, etc. Your impact awaits. Please see the slide. Whew, we made it through all 75 slides. I hope this detailed explanation inspires you to apply for these fully funded scholarships. Remember, hey, if question, drop them in the comments. Remember, I'm Jessica, and if you have questions, drop them in the comments. Share your scholarship stories too, like, subscribe, and share this with friends chasing their dreams. Thanks for watching. Go claim your future abroad. Bye. If you find this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. All right, let's start.